Hey everyone, tired of soggy fries or waiting forever to cook dinner? I was too, and it drove me crazy, until I got my hands on 3 COSORI air fryers from Amazon to find the best one you didn't even know you needed for 2025. We've got the 6-quart 9-in-1, the 5-quart Pro LE, and the 6.8-quart Dual Blaze. I'm comparing them for speed, size, and those game-changing features that'll make your kitchen life way easier. Trust me, you're going to want one of these. Quick heads up, all the Amazon details are in the pinned first comment and description below. Stick with me, like this video, subscribe to Daily Dwell Essentials, and hit that bell. I'm revealing the COSORI secrets you need to know. Let's fry it up. Before I break it down, here's what I looked at. How fast they cook, how much they hold, because size matters, how cool they look on my counter, and the extras like presets or dual heating that make them stand out. I tested these babies myself with fries, chicken, and more, so you're getting the real deal. Ready to find out which COSORI's the best? Let's dive in. First up, the COSORI 6-quart 9-in-1. This thing's a speed demon. I tested it, and it cooked fries in like 15 minutes flat. Crisp outside, fluffy inside, thanks to its turbo modes and 1500 watts. It holds 6 quarts, perfect for a family of 4, and hits up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for that extra crunch. It's got 9 functions: air fry, roast, bake, even proof dough, and uses 95% less oil. The gray finish, total kitchen eye candy. I'm guessing it's around $100 on Amazon. The pros: fast, versatile, and sleek. Amazon reviews rave about it. The catch: no window to peek inside, so you're guessing a bit. If you want speed and options, this is your fry. Search COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 6-quart on Amazon via the pinned first comment or description and snag it before everyone else does. Next, the COSORI Pro LE 5-quart. This one's my budget-friendly gem. It's got 10 functions: air fry, bake, roast, even dehydrate, and a shake reminder that beeps halfway, which I love for fries. It hits 450 degrees Fahrenheit too, and cooked my chicken wings golden in 20 minutes with 85% less oil. It's smaller at 5 quarts, great for 2 or 3 people, and comes with 20 paper liners. Cleanup's a breeze, probably around $90. The good stuff: easy to use, compact, and that green color pops. Downsides: less capacity, and the basket's a bit snug for big batches. If you're starting out or tight on space, look for COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE 5-quart on Amazon. Pinned comment and description have it all. Last up, the COSORI 6.8-quart Dual Blaze. This one's a total boss. It's got dual heating elements, top and bottom, so no shaking or preheating needed. I popped in chicken, and in 20 minutes, it was 360 degrees of crispy perfection, juicy inside, no oil mess. It holds 6.8 quarts, fits a whole chicken, and has 12 functions: air fry, broil, bake, you name it. It's around $120. The pros: big capacity, even cooking, and dishwasher safe. Amazon folks love it. The downside: it's bulkier and pricier. If you want no-fuss crispy meals, search COSORI 6.8-quart Dual Blaze on Amazon. Pinned comment or description, go get it. So, which COSORI air fryer's the best you didn't know you needed for 2025? If you're all about speed and versatility for around $100, the 6-quart 9-in-1 is my top pick. Fast and fierce. On a budget or cooking for a small crew, the Pro LE 5-quart at $90 is your sweet spot. Simple and stylish. Or if you want big, bold, and no hassle for $120, the 6.8-quart Dual Blaze is the king. Here's the deal. Rush to the pinned first comment or description right now to find COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 6-quart, COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE 5-quart, or COSORI 6.8-quart Dual Blaze on Amazon and buy before they're gone. These prices won't last, and you don't want mushy fries ruining your 2025 vibe. Like this video if it helped, subscribe to Daily Dwell Essentials, and hit that bell for more reviews. Comment below. Which COSORI's your pick? Let's make cooking a blast. Go check the pinned comment and description now.